People do indulge in affairs whether we like it or not. A renowned psychologist, Professor Barry McCarthy of USA, has categorized three types of affairs. They are the opportunistic affair, the ongoing affair, and finally the comparison affair. The opportunistic affair is something like our one night stands. They get an opportunity, you meet a old flame, and then it works out. No long term plan is involved. It is especially more so to happen when the man is under the influence of an alcohol. It can also happen to women. The second category is the ongoing affair. By that, he refers to office romances, a relationship between a secretary and a boss, two colleagues, a doctor and colleague and doctor and a nurse, etc., etc., etc. Here, people think that this affair will be a short lived one. It only fulfills certain of their desires, so it will not be a prolonged one. But unfortunately, what happens? This is going to be a long term affair. They can't avoid it because they're working in close proximity for longer durations. Like in the Hindi movie, Pati Patni Aur Wo, this is going to happen. They get worried that this is going to continue and become problematic. I mentioned the Hindi movie Pati Patni Aur Wo, Hollywood movie where Michael Douglas plays the fatal attraction. Now, people, when they get caught in the situation, they tell you very clearly, sir, there is a chill of the initial thrill. So, people have to be careful. Next comes the comparison affairs. This usually happens in arranged marriages because people have certain expectations. This is how the partner should be, right? But it so happens they will not be able to get a partner with the same qualities which these people expect for various reasons: dowry, matching of the horoscopes, caste, community, etc. They accept that reality, adjust to it, and then live with that. But then they come across another person, be it a male or a female, who has all the qualities which these people initially expected. Then the comparison starts. Once the comparison starts, then the relationship develops, new relationship develops. Here, there is more emotionality than physicality. Because emotionally, the new relationship, the new affair is fulfilling. But the problem is they're already into a marriage, whether it's a man or a woman. That's the problem. And this type of affair is the most detrimental to any marriage because here the novelty is not there, opportunity is not there, but the emotional involvement is there. And it happens after marriage. That's why I'm saying this is the most detrimental to any marriage. Hindi movie Astitva and Tamil movies Hindu Bhairavi, all these are depicting these type of relationships. Now, why do people indulge in affairs? There is no simple, specific one reason for this question. We do not know exactly why a particular person is having an affair. It depends upon the individuals and depends upon their context in lives. But overall, two factors play a great role in shaping these affairs. One, the forbidden fruit syndrome. Second one is the novelty factor. It's very important for us to understand that instead of blaming, accusing these people, what we should do is, what appropriate and healthy is, to find out what prompted a particular man or woman to fall into this trap of having an extramarital affair. Only then we will be able to find a solution for this. Whatever it is, don't think only men have affairs, even women can have affairs. All the three types of affairs is applicable to women also. What is important for us to understand is realize that the founding pillar of a marriage, one of the founding pillars, trust, will be destroyed if we indulge in extramarital affair. The choice is to in each individual whether they want to see a stable marriage or they want to see a broken marriage. Point is, let us accept and understand affairs are taking place around us in this society, and we have to find out why they do it if possible and try to find a solution for it.